Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is a new facelift Mercedes AMG CLS53 4MATIC Plus. And in this video I will show you every new design change and also the new technology. You can already see it is in a gorgeous grey color. This is an ultimate new color, and it also has the night package too. And you might think there already exists the normal night package one. That is true, it has the blacked out contours around the window, the housing. But with the night package 2 it is even more intense. Then you have the Turbo 4MATIC Plus emblem on the sides blacked out. Also the black chrome Panamericana grille. And even the lettering on the rear side is fully blacked out. So you don't need any aftermarket customizations. And I have to say, this new facelift is also focused on new trims and new options if you order the CLS. You can already see it has the red brake calipers Mercedes AMG now for the 53 models. So let's move over into the front and I will show you why I think this is the perfect improvement of the pre-facelift CLS. First of all, the color in the new design. And it has amazing front bumpers, black chrome Panamericana grille with 14 vertical slats. It also has a new Multibeam LED headlights, with still the design with a V shape, so it still has this shark design. But now with the air intake on the sides, it looks way more aggressive. So guys, before we move on and before I take it for a drive, make sure you follow me on Instagram. The link is down below, and I have amazing content special for you about all new Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and also the most exclusive ones and the sporty ones like this AMG. So I've got the key right here, and let's move over into the side and very quickly over into the rear. But before I do that, let's press the button for all the windows to open. And there you can see this is a gorgeous coupe line with the frameless doors. And it has a gorgeous interior with the red stitching and amazing leather with Alcantara. So let's have a quick look at the rear. Because here you can already see it has the carbon fiber spoiler. And as I mentioned, the night package too. So the blacked out AMG Mercedes star and CLS53 emblem. And also of course with the night package 1 comes the blacked out exhaust tips in beautiful 9 cm width. So we are buckled up and we will take the CLS53 AMG for a drive. It has a very nice red seatbelt. I really like it, as well as the trim. It is standard black, but it has amazing glossy carbon fiber on the door side and the central console. So I will switch it to Sport Plus with the dynamic driving select switcher, and there you can see the picture of the new facelift CLS. So let's start the engine in the emotion start. So you have to hold the downshift or the upshift and press the button. And in this way you immediately hear some plops and bangs. And it starts in a very emotional way. So let's put it to drive and we'll take off. As you can see, we start in the Sport Plus mode, but what I really want to show you is the new MBUX in this facelift. Hey Mercedes,
how can I help?
Change the ambient lighting to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
So it has the full new MBUX system. Let's take a left turn over here. And you can also change the colors more than 64 different ways. And yes, it is a full touchscreen that comes with the new MBUX. So you can go to comfort, ambient lighting, and change it with this wheel. back into blue. So as you can see, it is way easier to use the touchpad over here. Let's put it on navigation. As you can see, it has the augmented reality combined with the navigation system, so it shows you exactly where you need to go. Let's listen to the sound. Amazing. The 53 AMGs are very consistent in its pops and bangs. The driving satisfaction is so high. It already pops and bangs at 4000 RPM. Crazy. And this is an inline 6 producing 435 horsepower. And it also has the EQ boost, so that means an additional 22 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque at go, so very fast off the ground, at traffic lights for example. So you can press the home button and change the style of the screen. I will go to the right to styles and display and put it on classic. Intense. You can also press the home button and go to the right to information, which is actually stored under the AMG performance view over here. And then you can select the engine. It shows you the Newton meters of torque and kilowatts converted from horsepower. But I like the dynamic select view. It shows you the G-force and how much you brake and give gas. It has a great 4MATIC Plus.
Prepare to turn left.
So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video with the new facelift CLS53.
Now turn left.
And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.